Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Neroupe Christmas Projector Lights, outdoor waterproof with remote control. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Outdoor Christmas Projector Lights for house. Create a magical holiday light show with our Christmas projector lights, outdoor waterproof. The classic red and green light display projects thousands of glowing dots that move gently like fireflies, adding a warm and festive atmosphere to your home, yard, or garden this Christmas season. Perfect for every celebration, more than just a Christmas decoration, this outdoor light projector adds sparkle to Halloween, weddings, birthdays, and New Year's parties. A thoughtful holiday gift for family and friends, bring joy and color to every celebration all year long. Remote control and auto timer. Control your holiday projector light easily with the included remote switch colors, adjust movement speed, and choose between static or dynamic modes. The timer function lets you set automatic shutoff for 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10 hours, making it convenient and energy-saving for nightly displays. Waterproof and weather-resistant, designed for year-round use, this outdoor Christmas projector light is made with durable materials that withstand rain, snow, dust, and sunlight. It's a reliable choice for holiday decorations, ensuring bright and colorful lighting effects in any weather. Flexible installation options. Our Christmas Lights outdoor projector offers 3 easy mounting methods. Use the ground stake for your lawn, place it on a flat surface, or mount it to a wall. With its adjustable head, you can aim the projection perfectly on your house, roof, garden, or wall, creating stunning Christmas visuals in minutes. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.